Ramogi TV.
Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto okwayo od bura maduong' kaachiel gi od bura mar senet mondo duok chien bajet margi mariko ohala machako higa mabiro bang' yawo ayanga apise mag jood bura mong'ere kaka Bunge Towers. Ot mar Bunge Towers igeno ni biro duoko chien kwan omenda ma jood bura osebedo katiyo godo e Kodesa Magawa e bago rombe mopogore opogore. Spika mar od bura maduong' gi mano mar senet wacho ni gedo mar Bunge Towers abiro resogi kuom maromo milion 400 e bajet mosebedo ka ichwalo e od bura. Bunge Towers mantiere kod orofa 28 abiro chwalo tije mag jood bura kaluwore gi apise magibiro bedo godo kaka jokanyo, kopogore gi mano mabende romo mag kamati mopogore opogore ibiro timie maonge ng'ikruok moro amora.
Also confirm that in the 12th Parliament I was privileged to chair the Public Accounts Committee. And I was also in that committee with my good friend Honorable Aden Duale, and he's here, and Honorable Makau, the Commissioner. At no one time were we able to establish any form of impropriety, because we were able to look at the books of accounts for the PSC. And therefore, Your Excellency, I want to allay any fears that could have been there, that perhaps this project has been shrouded in some form of mystery or corruption.
The only parliament in my many travels I can compare with this building is probably the Parliament of Australia in Canberra. It is as good as any other. It is even, I dare say, better facilities than the House of Commons in the UK.
This has proved to be counterproductive, as it has saddled Parliament with an annual rent bill that has since soared to 400 million. This predicament fully justifies the need for an office block that not only presents a centralized work environment with all essential amenities easily within reach, but also meets the standards of a modern workstation ideal for our legislators.
You have no reason not to give us and the people of Kenya the best of what you can do as our legislators. And I have no doubt that the quality of debate, having opened the library, and each member of parliament having some research